to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So from today I am starting my Durga Puja series 2019. So today is the first day and I will see you guys for more 4 days till Sunday at 10 AM. So today's look is this. I am going to create this and this is a very soft look for you guys. So this time I'm definitely going for more natural looks because I have got tons of requests for natural look. Every day, natural look. So that's why this time I will be doing more of natural looks. So if you want to see how I create this beautiful day natural look, then please keep on watching. So first I am applying this Scent Botanica Vitamin C Brightening Day Cream on my face. And then I will take this COLORBAR Perfect Match Primer and I will apply this on my T-zone. To cover up my dark circles, I will use the Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. I will be applying this under my eyes and around my mouth. The sponge here I'm using in this video is from Plume, and the foundation today I will be using is from Maybelline. This is their Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. The shade today I'm using is 310, which is Sun Beige. The next product I will be applying is the LAKME 925 Powder Foundation. First I'm going to apply this under my eyes and around my mouth with the Forever 21 brush. Then later I'm going to apply this all over my face with the help of my CARA F001 brush. Now for contouring, I will be using the Sugar Face palette and this is in the shade 01. The brush here I'm using for contouring is CARA F004. And for contouring my nose, the brush here I'm using is from WISESHE. This is Pro Shadow Brush. Now taking this blush on my CARA F002 brush from the same face palette and I'm going to apply this on my cheeks. To set my face, I'm using the Shy Style Makeup Fixer. This is a new launch by the way. To fill in my brows, I'm using the Sigma Brow Powder Duo in the shade Medium and the brush here I'm using is from Faces Canada. Applying the highlighter from the same palette on my highest points of the face with this Oriflame eyeshadow blending brush. Applying this Nykaa eyebrow mascara to set my brows in place. For my eye makeup, I will be using the Bad Habit Aphrodite palette and the first shade I will be applying on my crease is the shade called Blushing and the brush here I'm using is from CARA and this is their E006 brush. Now taking the shade Flirt on the same brush and applying that on my eyelid and also on my crease, I will take the same shades on my lower lash line with the help of my CARA E008 brush. Applying the same highlighter on my inner corners. For mascara, I'm using the I Love Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara by Essence. Applying the same highlighter on my brow bone as well. And for my lipstick, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Click Me Up Velvet Lipstick in the shade Spicy Salmon. For my falsies, I went with WISESHE MILI. You can definitely skip this part. And for earrings, I went with this grey earrings and this is from Jewel Box. You can definitely carry this look without a bindi and a earring, or you can definitely pair this up with a earring and a bindi like this. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you liked the tutorial, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I am going to mention all the product details down in the description box below with their links, so if you want, you can buy it from the links. Also guys, if you like this look, do let me know in the comment section below. If you want, you can change and skip the eyelash and the bindi or the jewelry or the lipstick, anything you want. So thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope to see you guys tomorrow at 10 AM. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye guys.